What's up everyone, it's Chris, and today I'll be showing you my 2015 bike check. Alright, to start off, I got King Badger V3 bars in chrome. Right on top of it, I got ODI grips in blue, and stolen Vortex bar ends in dark blue, but you can't really see it much because I messed it up so much. Right below it, I got a stolen Stratos top load stem. It's pretty cool. Stock forks, stolen silencer pegs, and right there I got a Colony Wasp front hub, and right next to it I got the G Sport Gland Mark III hub guard. Stock frame, stock cranks, Odyssey Galaxy twisted PCs, a Shadow Scream sprocket, a Cult Halfling chain, a Shadow Solus C, again a stolen silencer peg, Daily Grind Infinity hub guard, and right here a Merit Final Drive free coaster. And with the tires, I got these were Fit FAF tires with white sidewall, and here I got the Fit TA tires gone with black sidewall. And to connect these parts, I got the Answer stem lock, few stickers and everything, Odd Future, and that's pretty much it. And that is my 2015 bike check. Thanks for watching.